The National Coalition of Northern Lawyers and Public Interest Activists has welcomed the landmark ruling annulling the reinstatement of Muhammadu Sanusi II as Emir of Kano. The group said the judgment vindicates the popular stance on the illegality of the Kano state government's action in dissolving the Kano Emirates and dethroning Emir Ado Bayero. Speaking at a press conference on Friday, Convener Barrister Napoleon Otache commended the court for upholding the rule of law and protecting the sanity of traditional institutions, adding that the ruling is a victory for justice, truth, and the people of Kano State.
In nullifying the illegality embarked upon by the Kano State government, Abba Kabir Yusuf and his associates, the court has again proven that the judiciary is the last hope of the common man, and not only the common man is also the last hope for the strong man. We have been reminded that might is not right, and that the will of the people matters, in addition to the demonstration that those who are in the right need to resort to violence to defend their rights. The court ruling has demonstrated that the rule of law must be obeyed, since the defect that led to the nullification or the reappointment of the 16th Emir resulted from the governor rushing to implement a law that the court had ruled to be placed on hold. We are all aware, gentlemen of the press, before now that there was a ruling by the Kano State High Court that parties should maintain status quo on the implementation of the controversial law. Yet, that didn't save matter. It is now also clear that rushing to a slew of actions based on illegitimate premises would not make such illegal actions endure. The governor and His Excellency Mohammed Sanusi II must have realized by now that they have achieved with the drama the acted amounted to a nullity and a tragic waste of public resources to massage their egos. The ruling should be a wake-up call to the Kano State government that it cannot introduce a state-level dictatorship as envisaged by the governor, one that sought to obliterate the constitutionally guaranteed separation of powers among the executive, legislature, and the judiciary. The judiciary has given a rude awakening that it is there to correct the conversion of the Kano State House of Assembly into a mere rubber stamp factory that churn out destructive legislation so as to satisfy governors' personal whims and caprices. It is clear that the Attorney General of Kano State is advising the Kano State government to toe the path of anarchy. Whatever happens in Kano State as a result of the ongoing self-imposed crisis, the first person to be held responsible in our own opinion should be the Attorney General, because he has shown that he has failed in his duty to give his professional advice. And we have a professional body as lawyers, the MPA. Our actions and all our inactions are regulated. His actions amounted to infamous conduct. That which he has done by is in the media, is in the public media, where he has misled in totality the public and the Kano State government, contrary to what is the clear ruling of the Federal High Court sitting in Kano yesterday.